Systems Engineering. Systems Engineering Certificate, Training and Courses 2020. System Engineering Certificate was shaped to bring in the concept system thinking, seeing the bigger picture and facilitating through a modern agile and lean process, cross-activities and interdisciplinary involvement to enable the realization of successful systems and system of systems, SOS. Why Tonex Systems Engineering Training? Systems Engineering Certificate by Tonex is globally recognized for the leadership and dynamic approach in helping organizations to accomplish their fundamental changes in fields such as Systems Engineering, MBSE, Requirements Engineering, ConOps, Architecture, Design, Verification and Validation, UML and SysML. Systems Engineering Certificate course designed for System Engineers, System Analysts, System Architects, Chief Engineers, Directors of Engineering, Program and Project Managers, Validation and Verification Engineers, Chief System Engineers, and any other professionals interested in systems engineering. Course topics, key features. Systems engineering key processes such as stakeholder analysis, needs assessment, elicitation, concept of operations, ConOps, etc. Developing and mapping, ConOps. Developing user requirements. Mapping systems requirements. Systems architecting, modeling, and simulation. Design of experiments, DOE. Lean and agile systems engineering. Reliability, safety, and cybersecurity. Embedded systems engineering. Want to learn more? Call at 1-972-665-9786, Plano, Texas, USA, or visit tonex.com for systems engineering course and workshop detail. Why choose Tonex? Because Tonex really works.